Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jay McGowan. I'm the Director of Financial Planning here at Five Plan Partners. And today I wanted to discuss a topic related to financial aid or student loans and the process to obtain that aid if you need to as a student or a parent of a student. October 1, 2020 begins the period of time when you can fill out a FAFSA form to apply for student aid. That is for the 2021-2022 school year. Because of all of the changes and impact that the coronavirus has had this year, I wanted to discuss a little bit about if your situation has changed, how you can navigate that process to ensure that you qualify or your student qualifies for student aid. So the first thing is for the 2021-2022 school year, the financial information that your aid will be based on is 2019. However, if you have been adversely affected by the coronavirus, if your income has changed, you've lost a job or anything like that, on the CSS form, you actually have the ability to put in a special circumstance. Even though your aid is being based on 2019, why a change in your income in 2020 should be considered for the 2021-2022 school year application process. It's very important when you do this to look at the specific process that the university or institution that you are applying to, how they look at special circumstances and situations and follow that to a T. You don't want to send them a ton of information they're not going to use, but you also want to make sure that you get them the information that they request in order to look into your specific situation if your circumstances have changed. The second tip, don't assume that you don't qualify just because of your income. A lot of people don't apply for student aid because of things that have happened in 2020 that may have changed, and based on that, you may actually qualify. And then the third thing is just to remember to follow up with the student aid office. Ultimately, they're going to be the ones that make the decision on whether or not your student receives financial aid, and it's always a good idea to double check with the institution. So in summary, coronavirus obviously has affected a lot of people in a lot of different ways this year in 2020, from a health standpoint, from an income standpoint, and so just because student aid for 2021-2022 may be based on your information and your financials from 2019, don't think because it's based on the 2019 numbers that may have changed that you will not qualify or your student will not qualify for student aid. So if you have any questions on this or anything else, as always, please feel to reach out to us at any time. If you know anybody else that needs help, we're always available and always ready to help. Thank you so much and have a great day.